Hello, my name is Makita Booker, and this is my presentation on Canva. Welcome to Canva. Canva is a site where you can make professional and creative layouts with stunning graphics. It specializes in the drag and drop feature. You can design presentations, business cards, and posters with this software. For now, let's focus on getting logged in and getting started. As you can see, this is the home page of Canva. There are a variety of options that you can have and that you can choose from. First, let's talk about the stuff on the side. As you can see on the side, we have a couple of tabs. The first is the All Your Designs tab. As you can see, it shows all your designs that you have and some designs that are recommended to you. Here are a couple of designs that I have made on my own. The next is to share it with you. For this, these are shared designs that you have shared with friends or some designs that were shared with me as well. Next is create a team, where you can create your own team and make members and have members of your own. You can send the email address, and if they accept it, then you can make a design team that all work on a Canva project. The next one is your brand, is where you can make your own brand and logo. And the last is design school, where it teaches you the basics of how to use Canva. But for now, let's go back to the home page. So in order to make a PowerPoint, you have a couple of options. The first option is you can go right here, click on this, and you can do presentation. And the other one is you start with this. Alright, as you see, you have a blank page, but with some tabs on the side. You got templates, elements, text, backgrounds, uploads, folders, and apps. For the templates, they'll give you a background template, and the only thing you gotta do is just drag and drop. Like this. You can also change the templates as well if you want to by clicking in it and changing what you want to do. Now here's some things that you need to know about Canva. As you know, as I said before, you can drag things to Canva and to your presentations. Also, you can do some things that you do in PowerPoint. Like you can change the font. And you can also change the color. Just like that. But since we are making a presentation, we can also add more slides by clicking on the button right here, add a new page. And as you see, it keeps the slides presentation background. So no matter how many slides that you add, it'll all keep the same background. So since we got a new page, let's say we want to add a couple of things to it. And let's add some text to it. As you see, there's a variety of text on the left side of the page. You can, if you want to, you can add a text box and add your information right here. Or if you want to, you can just add one of these text options over here. Just drag and drop. It's just as simple as that. As you know, you can also change the text as well if you need to. You make it larger as usual. You can also change the color. And if there's anything that you do not want, one thing I do is just click on this and click on the delete option of it above. Canva also has some way of trying to align all the information that you have to make it nice and neat for you. So let's say we don't like the background. We can also change the background by clicking on the background tab on the side. And if we want to, we can change it. They give you a couple of free backgrounds, but they also have some backgrounds that you have to pay for. But let's stick with the free ones right now. Let's choose this background. The thing I do is just drag and drop. As you see, you add all the information that you need. And it's a very simple tool that anybody can use. Now let's say you are done with the presentation and you want to share the presentation with your friends. One thing I do is just go up to the option right here and click on the share button. You enter somebody's email address and send the invitations to them. You can also download the presentation as well. They have a variety of options that you can download. PNG, JPEG, PDF standard, and PDF print. And you could choose the option of downloading just a single page, a certain page, or all of them. The next option is you can actually have a presentation through Canva. One thing I do is just click on this and just say what kind of transition you want. Fade, tile, circle, slide, rise, or wipe. Let's click on fade. As you see, here's your presentation. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you very much.